Energy is stored in the liver and muscles in the form of glycogen. Which everyday product is made using bacteria? Yogurt. Any plant that grows upon another plant and derives nutrients from rain or air instead of soil is called epiphyte. Which part of the flower turns into a fruit? Ovary. Which one of the below is not a dental tissue? Incisor. What type of roots do monocots usually have? Fibrous roots. The branch of biology which deals with the properties of organisms at low temperatures is called cryobiology. Who discovered bacteria? Antony van Leeuwenhoek. What is the larval stage of a frog called? Tadpole. What type of joint allows rotational movement? Pivot. Which organ is commonly called the voice box? Larynx. What division does liverwort belong to? Marchentiopheta.